Imagine being forced out of your fishing village, away from family, friends, and everything you've known because of an unexpected natural disaster. This is becoming an increasing reality in the developing world today. The devastating tsunami that hit South Asia in December 2004 was a wake-up call to the world. It reminded us that extreme weather events can happen unexpectedly and warned of how governments and citizens are often grossly unprepared to deal with the widespread destruction they leave in their wake. Weathering the storm and dealing with the aftermath is difficult. For some, a subsistence livelihood that goes back generations can be wiped out in an instant. 4 years later, post-tsunami rehabilitation in affected communities in places like Tamil Nadu, South India, is still slow and costly. Scientists are increasingly confident that climate changes accelerated by human activities are likely responsible for this extreme weather. What is alarming is that the people who suffer most from the harmful effects of climate change are often those whose lifestyles are most environmentally friendly. Some studies predict that annual monsoon rains will get worse as the climate continues to change. What does this mean for these fishermen that rely on predictable rains? More unpredictable weather. So what is the Tamil Nadu government doing to protect its people against the after effects of extreme weather events? So far, the government hasn't made the connection between the tsunami and climate change. What they have done is react to the devastation by repairing homes and roads damaged by the rains. They've even gone so far as to prepare for the next tsunami. What they need to do is recognize that the tsunami is only one type of extreme weather event that could hit South India. We need to address the source of the problem. We need to take steps now to reduce the harmful carbon emissions and pollutants that are changing the chemistry of our air and the patterns of our rainfall. If governments in both developed and developing nations can work together to slow down climate change and ensure proper measures to adapt to a changing climate, then people can be ready now to guard against any future changes in our weather. And those most affected by climate change won't be left weathering the storm on their own.